This is my 1997 Mark III Golf Cabrio with 2-litre GTI engine. I paid £1,700 for this car and I've been using it as my daily for work. So far I've replaced the alternator, the water pump, mainly because both of them went, and now, to be honest, the starter motor is on its way out, so I've got a new starter motor coming on Monday. Anyway, this is the reason for today's video, the headlights. They are hideous, look at them. And I want a better one, so today's video we're going to do the headlights, and we're also going to be replacing these reflectors at the bottom because I lost my black ones that came with the indicators and I had to buy these standard ones, so we're going to tint them. Right, let's do a complete facelift, transform completely the front end of the Mark III Golf. First things first, let me show you what I got from the internet. I got it from Autodoc. They cost about 170 quid. I got them on credit. To transform the front end of the thing. Basically, I've been driving the car for a while now. It's you know, it's dark when I drive to work. It's dark when I drive home from work, and the headlights on it are just poor. And when I had a look at the headlights, inside the little reflector bits, they're just loose. So when I'm driving, they shake a bit. So the headlights need replacing anyway. So I thought to myself, you know what? Instead of just buying some standard headlights, let's get something that goes with the look of the car. And I love the fact that the car is red with all the black details. It's just black details everywhere. That's why I got the black indicators and fog blanks for the front of the car. The headlights we got for the front of the car, they're going to look badass when they're on the car. They're going to bring the whole front end together. But first, if you look here, the front indicators of the car, the blanks are standard because, as I just said in the video, I lost the black ones that came with the car. So first of things first, we're going to tint quickly the blanks to match the indicator. While they're drying, I'll be doing the headlights on the car and showing you how you do it. So yeah, let's get into this. This is basically, right now, I'll show you how you adjust the headlights when they come in a packet, and this is how they come, and this is what you've got to do to make them right-hand drive for your car. Luckily, because Autodoc must have seen that they were being shipped to the UK, they already did it for me. So, but I can quickly show you now how you do it. Here we have, check it out, these bad boys. Look at that. Right, as I was saying a minute ago, on the back here, you've got this little thing that says right-hand drive, left-hand drive. You undo these 3 screws and you twist. And mine's already twisted to right-hand drive. So that's what you do. Normal plug and play, but I am not sure what these 2 wires do. So we're going to figure that out when we put it in the car, because I really don't know what they do. But let's get out there, stick these on the car, shall we? By the way, I know you lot I've been brilliant with the super likes and you've been brilliant with the whole buy me a coffee thing, but now you can support the channel by buying yourself some merch and basically getting something in return. Do you know what I mean? I didn't like you asking people to buy me a coffee because you're not getting nothing in return, but we've now got merch. I've got a little merch store. I suggest getting a size bigger than you are because I ordered a t-shirt and it was just a little bit tight on me, but I am fat, so do you know what I mean? But check out the merch here. We got this t-shirt, hang on, you step to the side so I can put them in shot. We got this t-shirt here because only real men drop daily classics, do you know what I mean? Real men. We got this one here, boosted ADHD in various colours, yeah. We've got the one here that says, let's get to it, shall we? Because that's kind of becoming my thing now. And we got the normal logo. So there's all different sizes, all different colours. So if you want to support the channel but also get something in return, go and buy a t-shirt, go and buy a hoodie, and go to my store, have a look. I'll put a link in the description below. Go and check it out. Get yourself something in return for helping out the channel. Right, let's get back into the video. Okay, first things first. I don't know why I'm looking behind me because they're on the car. First things first, get these reflectors off the car, get them in here and give them a coat of tint spray. Right, first things first. Here we are. First things first. Give these a quick, they're a bit wet. Give them a quick stand over just to give the tint spray something to cling onto. Right. Hopefully I've got enough of these left. Right, let's let the first coat dry and get on with these headlights, shall we? First things first. Bloody okay. First things first, take the grill off. As far as I'm aware, you just pop them out here, pop that clip out, push that down, pop it out, don't want to break it. You clip back in, pop it out, pop that out. I'll show you. You've got to see that little clip there. You've got to push that down and pop it out, and it should just pop out. And there's a clip there, under here, somewhere there. It should come out under here, I think. Can't remember where they are. Is it there? Oh, it's there.
A few moments later.
Right. What the fuck?
Eventually.
Wow. Right. Put that grill down, and we're also going to be changing this black as well. So now what we've got to do is unscrew that there, I think these are 8mm, and there should be one underneath there and one underneath there. First let's pull the all the wires and wiring harness out. I'm just swapping the bulbs over, right, but I'm showing you what I'm working with here. This bulb here, right, see it's got the round and then a flat edge. If you look in here, it's got, focus, it's got this little nodule here and a nodule there. So, but it does fit, but it doesn't go in. I don't understand what's happening. Okay, I figured out I need a H3 bulb. So we're going to install the headlights and then go and get some bulbs from Halfords. Okay, headlights are on. Well, they're bolted in anyway. I am going to be doing the grill, the two grills between the lights black, almost like sunglasses. That's how I look at it anyway. So that will be going black. Not sure if I'm going to do it in this video or not, but these are just drying. I've done another coat on them so far. Headlights are in. I just need to shoot off to Halfords now to get the correct bulbs for these. I assumed that I could just use the bulbs out the old ones, but obviously not. So, and then it'll be a case of parking, facing the garages and trying to set up the beam pattern. So for now, we're just going to shoot to Halfords and get the right bulbs.
1 hour later.
Okay, we've got the bulbs now. We've got the little ones for the side lights, and we've got the H3s, which are £1 each. They're going to be great quality. For the other bulbs, right, this is going to be fiddly. I wish I'd have put these on before I put the headlights in, but see how it goes, shall we? Right, let's get the side light bulb in, because I've got that in my pocket. Where's the O? I see better now. Can't even see where the hole for the bloody thing is. There we go. Where's the hole? Oh, it's there. It's right in there. There we go. Right, that's that. Now that wire goes to the side light. Let's get this bulb in. This has a square on one side and a circle on the other side, like what that has. So let's pull this off and put this headlight in now. Right, headlights are in, headlights are wired up. Apparently, there's a thing that came with the kit though. There's a little bridge connector that apparently I've got to put behind relay 10. I'm just going to see if the headlights actually do anything before I do that. See what happens. We have side lights. We have headlights. We have full beam. Why do I need the bridge connector?
A few moments later.
Okay, we're just testing the beam pattern. It's parked here and showing at the garage. That looks about right. I've got my full beam on if you're wondering what that bit in the middle is. Then we'll turn that off. There we go. Looks about right. They look orange on the video, but they're actually quite white in real life. That beam pattern looks pretty good, to be fair. Blanks are getting there. Need a few more coats, I think, though. Okay, I'm just going to quickly give these a clear coat, let them dry. The car's going to look cool, don't get me wrong, but it needs the two black grills between the lights. It's almost like, how can I explain it? Like sunglasses for a car. You need the black strip between the lights. That's what makes it look perfect. So, I'll quickly clear coat these and then we'll go from there. Right, I want to make these two black. Apparently on the back here you've got these clips. See if I can unclip them. There we go, that one's kind of out. And they're back in somehow. Come on. This is really annoying, trying to get this out. About breaking the clips. Fucking arse. Right, that's out. Now this end out. That's out. Now this bit out. Hey, we got it. We got it. Right, this is the centre bit.
The next day.
Okay, we've now jumped to the next morning. It's now, what time is it? I think it's like 7:30 in the morning. Right, jumped to the next morning. This is black. I was about to paint it. In the last bit you saw, I was literally about to paint this, and then I realised I didn't have any black paint left. So I found some black vinyl, but it was tape, so it's not the greatest job, but it'll do until I can get some paint and paint it black. But for now, for this video, there we have it, vinyl wrapped. It's not the greatest job, but it'll do for now. And to be fair, once it's on the car and the badge is on and that, you ain't going to notice it, to be fair. But yeah, I will be painting this bit properly. But for now, like I just said, vinyl wrapped black. Okay. And these are also done. Look at them. Shiny. Right. That's that. That's that. Let's get these back on the car. See what it looks like, shall we? Right. There it is. Everything's done. It's all back on the car. Are you ready to see a really rainy montage of what it looks like now? Just remember, this is what it looked like before. Horrible standard headlights, red grille strips and clear looking fog blanks. And this is what it looks like now.